Hello, fellow riders and off-road enthusiasts. Welcome back to another in-depth tire comparison. Today, we're diving deep into the world of motocross and off-road tires, where performance, durability, and versatility can make or break your riding experience. In this video, we're taking a close look at two standout contenders in the off-road tire market, the Bridgestone M59 and the Dunlop Geomax MX53. Both of these tires are top choices for riders who demand exceptional handling, control, and traction in challenging off-road conditions, but they cater to different terrains and riding styles. Choosing the right tire for your bike isn't just about what looks aggressive or feels good on one type of terrain. It's about finding the perfect balance between grip, durability, and performance across the surfaces you encounter most often. Whether you're a weekend trail rider, an enduro enthusiast, or a motocross competitor, understanding the strengths and weaknesses of these tires will help you make an informed decision. So, let's start by diving into the features, advantages, and disadvantages of the Bridgestone M59. The Bridgestone M59 is a front tire that has become a favorite among off-road and enduro riders thanks to its exceptional performance in soft to intermediate terrain. This tire is purpose-built for conditions where grip and precision are critical, and its design reflects that. The first thing that stands out about the M59 is its tread pattern. The tall, widely spaced knobs are specifically engineered to dig into soft dirt, mud, and loamy trails, providing incredible traction even in challenging conditions. This makes it a top choice for riders tackling technical trails, steep inclines, or loose terrain. One of the biggest strengths of the M59 is its predictable handling and stability. The tire offers excellent feedback, allowing riders to feel connected to the terrain and make precise adjustments as needed. This is especially important in technical off-road sections where control is paramount. The M59 also excels in absorbing shocks and impacts thanks to its pliable carcass construction. This not only improves comfort but also reduces rider fatigue during long rides, making it a great choice for enduro events or multi-hour trail rides. When it comes to durability, the M59 holds its own remarkably well for a soft terrain tire. While many tires in this category tend to wear out quickly, the M59 is built to last longer than its competitors. This durability makes it a cost-effective option for riders who demand high performance without frequent replacements. However, the M59 isn't perfect. Its strengths in soft terrain don't translate as well to hard-packed surfaces. On harder trails, the tall knobs can feel less stable, and the tire doesn't provide the same level of grip as it does in softer conditions. Additionally, the aggressive tread pattern can lead to increased rolling resistance, which may be noticeable during faster sections or on smoother terrain. Finally, some riders have noted that the tire's premium performance comes with a higher price point, though many agree it's worth the investment for its off-road capabilities. The Dunlop Geomax MX53 is another highly respected tire, designed for intermediate to hard terrain. It's part of Dunlop's acclaimed Geomax series, which is known for its cutting-edge technology and race-ready performance. The MX53 stands out for its versatility, as it performs well across a wide range of conditions, from loose dirt to hard-packed tracks. The tire features Dunlop's patented block-in-a-block technology, which enhances traction, braking performance, and cornering precision. This innovative design provides additional biting edges for improved grip and stability. One of the most notable strengths of the MX53 is its cornering performance. The block-in-a-block design and optimized side knob configuration give riders confidence when leaning into corners, even on hard and slippery terrain. This makes it an excellent choice for motocross riders who need reliable handling on tracks with varying conditions. The carcass construction is another highlight of the MX53. It offers a balance of flexibility and stability, absorbing shocks effectively while maintaining control at high speeds. The MX53 also performs admirably on intermediate terrain, providing consistent traction and stability on loose dirt, gravel, and light mud. While it's not as aggressive as the M59 in soft terrain, it handles mixed conditions well, making it a versatile option for riders who encounter a variety of surfaces. However, like any tire, the MX53 has its limitations. Its performance in soft terrain, such as sand or deep mud, is less impressive compared to tires like the Bridgestone M59. The closely spaced knobs are designed for hard-packed surfaces and don't dig into loose soil as effectively. Additionally, while the MX-53 is durable for its category, it may wear faster if used extensively on abrasive or extremely rocky terrain. Despite these drawbacks, the MX-53 offers excellent value for motocross riders and those looking for a versatile tire that can handle a range of conditions. Now that we've explored the features, advantages, and disadvantages of each tire, let's compare them across key performance areas to determine how they stack up against each other. Off-road performance. When it comes to soft to intermediate terrain, the Bridgestone M59 is the standout performer. Its tall knobs and aggressive tread pattern provide superior traction and control on loose dirt, loam, and mud. The Dunlop MX-53, while capable in intermediate conditions, shines more in intermediate to hard terrain. Its tighter tread design and block-in-a-block technology give it an edge on hard-packed trails and motocross tracks, but it doesn't dig into soft terrain as effectively as the M59. Cornering and handling. Both tires offer excellent handling, but they excel in different environments. The Dunlop MX-53 takes the lead in cornering on hard and intermediate terrain, where its innovative tread design provides reliable grip and precision. The Bridgestone M59, on the other hand, offers more predictable and stable handling in soft terrain, making it ideal for riders navigating technical trails and loose soil. Durability. The Bridgestone M59 is surprisingly durable for a soft terrain tire, with a construction that resists wear and tear over extended use. However, the Dunlop MX-53, being designed for harder surfaces, offers comparable durability when used in its intended conditions. Riders who frequently encounter rocky or abrasive trails may find the MX-53 holds up slightly better in those environments. Versatility. The Dunlop MX-53 is the more versatile tire, performing well across a broader range of conditions. It transitions seamlessly between intermediate and hard terrain, making it a reliable choice for riders who encounter mixed surfaces. The Bridgestone M59, while exceptional in soft terrain, is less adaptable to harder conditions and doesn't offer the same all-around usability as the MX-53. Price and value. Both tires are in the premium price range, but their value depends on your specific needs. The Bridgestone M59 is a fantastic investment for riders who prioritize soft terrain performance and need a dependable tire for enduro or off-road adventures. The Dunlop MX-53, with its broader versatility and motocross focus, offers excellent value for riders who want a tire that can handle a mix of conditions and terrain types. Both the Bridgestone M59 and the Dunlop Geomax MX-53 are exceptional tires, but they cater to different types of riders and terrains. The Bridgestone M59 is perfect for enduro riders and off-road enthusiasts who spend most of their time in soft terrain. Its aggressive design, superior traction, and predictable handling make it a top choice for tackling technical trails, loose dirt, and mud. The Dunlop Geomax MX-53, on the other hand, is a more versatile tire that excels in intermediate to hard terrain. Its innovative tread design, excellent cornering performance, and stable handling make it an excellent choice for motocross riders and those who frequently encounter mixed conditions. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your riding style and the terrain you frequent. Are you tackling soft, technical trails, or are you riding on harder, more predictable surfaces? Either way, both of these tires are proven performers in their respective categories. Thank you for watching this detailed comparison. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tire reviews and off-road tips. Let me know in the comments which tire you prefer and why. Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring those trails.